Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to recover your deleted photos. So in order to recover your deleted photos, it's a very simple process. Make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. So first thing, you have to log in, and that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, tap the tab bar icon from the top right hand side and go to the gear icon, and that's going to directly take you to the settings and privacy page. While you're on this page, scroll down right to the bottom and you need to go to the section as your information, and then click on the option that says download your information and click the continue button. As you have done that, it's going to take you to this sort of field, and here you need to go ahead and tap on download or transfer information and tap the next button. As you have done that, you need to go ahead and select the available information or specific type. I'm going to go with specific type since I want to recover my post. You'll be able to find the option as post and comments as well, and after that you need to tap the next button. As soon as you've done that, you'll be taken to this page where you need to go ahead and select what you actually want to do it for, and then you need to confirm all of it. And as you've done that, you'll be able to recover the data or the information as per your request. So that's basically how you can delete your recover photos or post on the Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.